Let's take a look at some of the most powerful engines that are pushing the limits of speed and power. Bugatti Chiron's W16 engine. With 1,500 horsepower, this engine propels the Chiron to speeds over 260 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars in the world. NASA's RS-25 engine. This rocket engine produces 512,000 pounds of thrust, powering spacecraft to space. Koenigsegg Agera RS-58, delivering 1,160 horsepower. This engine helped the Agera RS reach 278 miles per hour, setting world speed records. Which engine would you want to experience? Let us know in the comments and follow Clipsy.